Good Monday morning, too. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for August 18th, 2014. And we're starting off with today. We have a high pressure still dominating the area here as far across our coverage area, so we don't have to worry about any precipitation today. Mostly sunny across our entire coverage area. This is actually looking at early Tuesday morning. We're going to have a system down to our south here that's going to continue off the coast in this manner here like this. And the European model keeps everything south of this area dry, so we're going to go with a dry forecast for Tuesday. The only thing is, with the high pressure up to the north, low pressure to the south, you're going to have an onshore flow. So you're going to have some cloudiness, especially for our eastern areas here. We're going to keep it mostly cloudy, maybe more clouds than sun in the forecast for Tuesday, especially Tuesday afternoon and evening. And as you get closer to the shore points, that will be even greater of, as far as coverage is concerned, it'll be even greater. So we will have it mostly cloudy on Tuesday because you're sandwiched between these two systems, high pressure, low pressure. So onshore flow, you get the clouds. But I do think it's going to remain dry. However, the GFS is showing some showers here for our western areas here, and that is in disagreement with the European model. And you go to the NAM the regular NAM, 12-kilometer NAM. It has a system here to the south here. I'm going to take this a little bit forward here, and you see the showers are staying away from our area. So everything takes off to the south and continues off the coast in that manner. But again, you have that high pressure sitting up here, low pressure down here, and sandwiched in between, you get the onshore flow, and that's where we're going to have the clouds on Tuesday. So going at that forecast for that, and then we go a little bit further than that. We're going to have an unsettled period, it looks like, from Wednesday through Friday, as you have basically a system, a frontal boundary. The same one that moved through on Sunday is going to be kind of stalled to the south here like this. So they're going to have you're going to have weak areas of low pressure. They're going to be moving along this frontal boundary, and that'll be in the Wednesday to Friday time frame. The first of which will come through on Wednesday with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. As you go a little bit further, though, it pretty much hangs around here because these systems will just be following the same boundary that's stalled to the south over Virginia. And so we're going to keep shower chances in the forecast for Thursday, and again on Friday, although Friday might be a little bit more isolated. So just a clouds-dominated shower period from showers and maybe storms early on for Wednesday, and then the same thing for Thursday and Friday, maybe without the storms, just looking at showers with mostly cloudy conditions across the region. One thing we are noticing on the models, though, is that see this high pressure that's setting up over New England right about here. It's going to, looks like on Saturday and Sunday, the models are in agreement that this will push off to the southwest here. That's going to clear everything out. It's also going to change the flow orientation around the high pressure. So you will have some clearing, it looks like, for the weekend. We're going to go with partly cloudy skies here. Still a little bit of an east flow, but not overly excessive here because of the position of the high. So, if you were down here in Ocean City, Maryland, and down at Virginia Beach, you probably have an onshore flow there because the high pressure nudging down. It'll have the east wind down in this area here, but really not expecting anything like that in our area. We're talking more of a southeasterly wind around this high pressure, so southeasterly will not keep it cloudy, but it will have some clouds, partly cloudy for the weekend, it looks like, and dry for the most part. And I'll put this a little bit further in motion here. You can see this high just nudging down to the southwest here, and here's a look at Sunday, and it keeps it dry across our area because it's pretty much established over the Hudson River Valley at that point, so we'll be okay, we think. For the weekend, of course, this is all subject to change and a very variable forecast as you get from Wednesday and beyond, because there's some model disagreement with exactly how those systems will affect our area and how close that shower and storm chance gets. Because it's all going to depend on where that boundary sets up. Where there's some disagreement, obviously, between the models on where that sets up. So we'll get a little bit narrowed down as we get closer in the week. Just bank on an unsettled pattern as we get from Wednesday onward, at least into Friday, and then we're going to clear out for the weekend. As far as temperatures go, when it's raining and cloudy, you're looking at temperatures going to be stuck below normal, and probably near or slightly below normal through the period until when you're absent from the shower. So at least Monday and Tuesday will start out that way, but then and again maybe for the weekend, but it'd be in between when you have the clouds and showers dominating. You're going to have temperatures that are stuck below normal for this time of year. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for August 18th, 2014. Have a great Monday.